Hi everyone. In this tutorial we're going to talk about the measures of centre of a discrete probability distribution. There are three measures of centre. We'll be talking about the mean, or the expected value of x, the median, which is the middle value of the data, and the mode, the most frequently occurring outcome. There are three measures of centre for any probability distribution. As I said before, we're talking about the mean, the median and the mode. First of all, calculating the mean. With a discrete probability distribution, the mean is also known as the expectation of x, or for short, E of x. The expected value that a random variable will take is known as the expectation, or the mean. The value that a random variable is expected to take would be the average outcome of an experiment. The mean, or expected value, is calculated from the distribution table using the following formula. The expected value of x is equal to the sum of x multiplied by the probability that x takes a certain value. Remember, sigma is the Greek letter which stands in mathematical terms for the sum of. To illustrate, let's look at this example here. We have a probability distribution given. Here are the expected values that x can take, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and here are their associated probabilities, 0.216, 0.432, 0.288 and 0.064. So to calculate the expectation of x here, all we need to do is to multiply each value of x in the table by its associated probability. So we would say 0 times 0.216 plus 1 times 0.432, 2 times 0.288 and 3 times 0.064. When I get my answers, I add them together. This calculation is shown here. Here are the values that I'm adding together: 0, 0.432, 0.576, 0.192. Add them together and I get 1.2. So the mean, or expected value of x in this distribution, is 1.2. If you look closely at the table as well, you will see that 1 has the highest probability, 0.432, and 2 has the second highest probability, 0.288. So it makes sense that the average of this distribution, or the expected value of x, is a value between these two values here, between 1 and 2, and we get 1.2. Now the median and the mode. This is quite easy to calculate. As I said earlier, the median is the middle value of the distribution, or you can think of it as the 50% mark of the distribution. So to find the median, we simply add the probabilities from the smallest value of x upwards until the sum reaches or exceeds 0.5. If I get to a value of x and the sum is greater than 0.5, then the value of x reached is the median value of x. If I add my probabilities and find that I reach 0.5 exactly, then the median is taken as the value halfway between this value and the next value. The mode is simply the value of x in the distribution with the highest probability. Again, let's look at this example and calculate the median and the mode. If I look at this table here, and I look at this probability and this probability, and I add them together, 0.25 plus 0.4 gives me 0.65. Clearly, when I reach the value of 5, the 0.5 or 50% mark has been reached. So 5 is the median. Also, look at the value in the table which has the highest probability. The highest probability here is 0.4, so therefore the mode is also 5. Here I have a summary of what I've just said. Add the probabilities from left to right until you reach 0.5. When I add the first two probabilities together, I get 0.65. So therefore, the 0.5 mark occurs when x is equal to 5 and the median value is 5. The x value with the highest probability is also 5, so therefore the mode is 5. So in summary, calculating the mean, the median and the mode. First of all, the mean. Simply take each value of x and multiply it by each of its associated probabilities and add them together. This will give you the mean or the expected value of x. For the median, add the probabilities from left to right until you reach 0.5 or exceed 0.5. If you exceed 0.5 like I have here, then your median value is the associated x value. With the mode, look for the x value with the highest probability. As I've found here, 5 has the highest probability, so the mode is 5. Thank you for listening.